If creating professional product images takes you hours or costs you money, this AI tool might change everything. Creativio AI 2.0 can turn ordinary photos into studio-quality product visuals, lifestyle scenes, and even videos in just 60 seconds. Let's see how it works. Creativio AI 2.0 is an AI-powered image editor designed for e-commerce sellers, marketers, influencers, agencies, and local businesses. Instead of hiring designers or learning Photoshop, you simply upload a photo, choose a style, and the AI generates professional visuals instantly. It works for Shopify listings, Amazon products, social media content, ads, and client projects. First, AI-powered editing automatically improves lighting, removes backgrounds, and enhances image quality. Second, virtual try-on feature. Place products into lifestyle scenes or on models without needing a photo shoot. Third, Animation Studio. Turn static images into short promotional videos for ads and social media. 4. Platform-ready templates. Create Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook visuals in seconds. 5. Biggest benefit. Save time while creating professional-looking visuals effortlessly. Pros: beginner-friendly design tools, studio-quality visuals, commercial usage potential, a one-time payment instead of monthly fees. Cons: launch pricing is limited and may increase later. When you grab Creativio AI 2.0 through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. If you want to create professional product visuals in minutes instead of hours, check out Creativio AI 2.0 using the link in the description. Remember, you'll also get the $43,000 bonus bundle when you purchase through my link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.